Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and join the crew. Today, I'm gonna show you how to install Gcam on my LG Stylo 6. I'm gonna show you a tutorial of how to get Gcam. The link will be in this description box down. I'm gonna show you some pictures when I'm using the stock camera versus the Gcam. Make sure you stay locked in. I'll see you right after. All right, guys. So we have the LG Stylo 6 right here, and we're gonna go ahead and show you how you can get the Gcam. First, I want to give a shout out Moose. If you haven't followed him, make sure you do so. All right, so I have the link saved in my notes right here, but I'm gonna leave it in the link in the comment section down below. LG Stylo 6, you're gonna see that it says right here TR camera, so just hit that, and this is essentially Gcam. So I'm gonna show you some of the features that it does have to offer. Now, not all of the features work on here, but 90% of them do. So you get portrait mode right here, front and back, which is cool. So you can see hi, what's up, y'all? And then there's a little bit of lag on this camera just because it's not meant for this phone, but you do see right here we get night sight, and this works with the front and back as well. So you're going to be able to get photos in night with this camera as well. And then you got the regular camera. You also do got regular video mode right here, and then this is where some of the features we won't be able to get. So we do get panorama and photosphere, but because this phone is running a MediaTek chipset, you're not going to be able to get the slow motion because it'll close every time. As you can see right there, it'll close when you click slow motion or even time lapse. Right here you can actually open the time lapse, but then it'll eventually just close. But those are the only two features that you can't use. But now that I showed you some of the camera features on this phone, such as portrait and the night sight, now let me show you how they function. So make sure you stay locked in so you can see some camera samples of the Gcam compared to the stock camera.